Welcome to image processing. In previous video, we have seen how to mask an image. Here it is original image, this is grayscale image, and this is masked image. What we can see, this masked image is not coming in the same color of the original. Okay, so in this session we will be getting exact the same portion of the original image. So what to do? Color is here. We need to find the color we can say it's a scalar, right? And then for center what we can see 255 and 255. This is the color, right? This is the color. Center is 300 and 100. Center, just I am going to check. Center, for center first is height and second is width. So for height you can say SRC, like it should be local because we are going to use SRC. So here you can use for center point and SRC dot columns by 2 and then SRC dot rows by say 3, right? This is point, you can see C, point C. Now here you can pass the C. Okay, Control S, then run this program. Okay, so here you can see masked image is coming as the same color of the original image. Okay, and in this window you can see size of the image is 600 into 433. Okay, so point C, this line number 27 and point C we have passed in this circle. Okay, -1 is color fill. Suppose if you don't want to do it, just you can say color. Okay, and a scalar color thickness suppose say 1, and then type is optional, just I am skipping it and I am running once again this program. So see, masked image, only this line is coming, right? And here you can see size is 600 into 433. So filled image and Control S. Now you do this, run this. Now it will be filled. That circle will be filled with the image. So this is how masking works using bitwise, and hope it will make you understand concept of masking in OpenCV using C++. Once again, last time I am going to go through this. First to fifth line I have added libraries and then defined a standard and CV for OpenCV. Global variables are there. I am not going to use this gray I am not going to print, so just I am going to delete this. Okay, and gray color I am not going to convert. Okay, just we need to understand the masking. So 16 to 18 path is defined, image has been read and original image has been printed. and then we have defined a black window src dot size is of the same size of original and type is also of original. Now we defined center of the circle, rows and column, right? This is width, first one is height, second one is width, and then mask CR color -1 thickness means it will fill, okay? And finally we used bitwise AND. So bitwise AND will take like two images, mask and src, and here you just I have put size of src. Once again I am running this program, okay? So just run this and you will be able to see masked image here, masked image. So this is original and this is masked image, original versus masked. So hope it will help. Thank you.